Hello, I am from CodeSpeedy, and in this video I will show you how easily you can convert any string, any text to QR code in just 3 lines of Python codes. To do this, we need to install pip install pyqrcode, this library. If pip doesn't work for you, you can also write this pip3. If you are using Python's latest version, you can use pip3 install pyqrcode. I have already installed it, and another library is pip3 install pypng. That's all. Now you can start your program. Import pyqrcode, then you have to take the input, just store it in a variable myvar is equal pyqrcode dot create https:// whatever string you are going to put here, that will be converted to QR code. Now you just have to make it PNG. Now you can give your file name, like I am giving my QR code .png. So this QR code will be saved as my QR code .png. Now you can size it, like I am giving it 8. You can check it by changing the value. The QR code size will be increased or decreased upon your size declaration. That's all. Now if you run this program, you can see here a file has been generated. This is the QR code. You can use your mobile phone to scan this and you will get the result. In the next video, I will show you how to convert this QR code to the original string. So that's all for today. If you feel this video was useful, then please consider subscribing this channel. I will be back with another tutorial.